F-15 and this is so windy here. Just try to see how it flies. Okay, check it out. Okay, just check. Welcome again to Paper Airplane, and today I will show you guys how to make a paper airplane, the F-15. Alright, so let's start now. First step, I will fold the paper almost in half. I will show you guys in detail how to fold it now. Start from this edge, I fold it down. Okay, just do it slowly. And I will estimate about a quarter of an inch from this corner along this edge. I will make a mark here. Okay, just fold it down here like this. Okay, this should be a quarter of an inch, no longer, no shorter. Okay, I will turn the paper this way, and I will start from this edge. I fold the paper in half. Okay, just do it slowly, calm down, and you make it work. Okay, fold the paper like this because I know that I make something wrong here. Fix this paper, fold in half again. Make the crease as strong as you can. Okay, next fold the paper over. Okay, now this step is a little bit harder. Now we start from this corner. I will try to fold this and match it to this corner. Okay, do it slowly. Okay, hold the paper down so it's we're not moving. Okay, then I just fold this crease to the center crease. See what I have here. And just do it slowly. Make sure that everything works fine. Fold this layer back here and repeat the same step for the other side. Okay. Put your hands inside the paper and just pull this part up, match this corner to this corner. Okay, and then you need to fold this crease down to the center crease. There we go, perfect. Fold this layer back here. Okay, fix all the creases first, and then fold this layer to this side. Okay, now I can start from this edge. I fold it to the center crease. Here we go. This is good now, and I turn the paper this way. I will start from the edge here, fold it over here. Okay. Make sure that all edges all line up. Perfect. Okay, this is really good for now. And then I will just fold this crease in. Okay, I mean I will start from this edge. I fold in to create a crease straight to this corner. Alright. And then we'll repeat the same step for the other side. Open this layer, put this layer back here. Okay, start from this edge, fold to the center crease. Start from this edge, forward to this edge. Okay, and then we'll fold this edge in here to match this edge to this corner. See that this edge matched to the corner. It's really good. Here we go. Now I will open this part like this, right? And then fold this layer back here, and I repeat the same step. I fold this to the side, open this one back. Okay, now next step, this is a hard one. I will match this edge to this corner. You see the corner here? Okay, you can see the corner right here, matches right there. Okay, there we go. Now I know it's matched to the corner. I will fold this part of the paper in again. Okay, now you can see the distance from this corner to this corner is longer than the distance from this corner to this edge. That is good. We need to make sure that this distance shorter than this distance just a little bit, and it should not be longer. Okay, now this is good for now, and make sure that this edge match to the corner here. Perfect. For this one back here. Okay, now I will repeat the same step for the other side. Okay, just fold this one first, hold the paper right here, then fold this one down. Make sure that will not ship at all. Okay, this is good. I repeat the same step for this side. Fold this layer back like this, and now we can just match this, the edge we're going to do here, match to the edge we have already on the bottom. Okay, then hold this layer, fold this one up, and then fold it down. So this is what we have for now, right? We have all creases. Okay, now I'll just pull this one out, and then pull this one out. Now we need to make the wings stronger by folding this edge in to double the hardness of the wings. Okay, when I fold it, I'll estimate about a quarter of an inch to fold in. Okay, I'll fold straight to the top here. See, this is a weird fold, but you can do it. Just calm down and do it slowly. Okay, it's just even better if you can fold more than a quarter of an inch a little bit. Okay, if you're not sure how to measure, use a ruler. Okay, I repeat the same step for the other side, but I will do it this way so I will have the wings even. I fold this part like this. Okay, and then I shift the whole layers to this side, and then I just fold this part up. Okay, now as you can see here, we have a crease. I just fold this part down. Okay. There we go. That looks really good. Okay, as you can see here, we just fold this layer to the left side again. I fold this part of the paper in, and I just repeat the same step as I did before. Okay, fold this layer down like this, and then we just fold this part down. Okay, I repeat the same step for this side. Fold this to this side. Fold this back. Just fold this layer back down here. Okay, this looks really good. Now I will turn the paper over. Okay, you can see this part. I just fold it straight to the center crease. Okay, and I repeat the same step for the other side. For this one in. Okay, and next step, fold the paper in half like this. Make sure that all edges are matched. You can see, as you can see here. Put this one in again. Okay. Now this is a hard step. I will estimate about 1 inch and a quarter from the tip here along this edge. right here, and I just fold straight to this corner, as you can see here. I repeat the same step for the other side. Fold it down. Okay, let's see what we have for now. Open the paper. Now you can see the wings, and it's almost look like the F-15. Look nice. Now we start from this layer. I just fold straight to the center crease or the center part. Okay. Forward there. Repeat the same step for the other side. Okay, this is what you should have for now. Just fold it in, make the crease hard. Okay, now next step, I will just fold this one back up like this, and make sure that this edge will parallel with the center crease or center body. Okay, I repeat the same step for this side. For this one back up. Okay, so now you can pull this one up. Okay, fix this a little bit. This looks really good for now. A few more steps you need to do to make the F-15. Okay, just a few more steps, you can make it. Alright. Next step, you can see the pocket here. I will insert this part to the other pocket. This is a step to make your model looks nice when you want to show to your friends. When the pocket gets loose and the papers pull out, the plans will crash. So it's optional. Okay, push like this so your plan looks nicer. You can see how it looks now. Here we go. So this is the F-15. You need to do a few more steps though. I will create the elevator here, and then you look at the wings. I just fold it down a little bit like this, curve it down a little bit like this. See that? Just a little bit. Okay, repeat the same step for this side. Okay, the reason why I do this is to make it look more like the real F-15, and this will help the planes fly better. Okay, can see that. Should this one up a little bit. Here we go. So this is the F-15, and I will show you guys how to fix it and draw the airplane. Okay, you need to hold it where you feel this is the center of the plane. Okay, I think this is the center of the plane, so hold it right here, and make sure that this one, the pockets here are insert and it stays strong here. If it's pulled out when you play a lot, you need to put it back nicely. The wings should be flat. Okay. Even the elevator on the bottom here should be flat as well, and make sure that the stabilizers are straight up. Okay, otherwise it will turn to the left or right. Okay, here we go. So this is the F-15, and I hope you guys will like it. Also, if you think this paper airplane is awesome, please like the video, subscribe my channel, and share with your friends. I hope you guys can make this paper airplane become one of the most popular paper airplane ever. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.